Hey, and welcome back to another video from my Nostalgic Ringtones playlist, the playlist of videos where I showcase only the ringtones from a specific mobile device. And what we have in this video is the legendary Nokia Lumia 1520 from 2013. Now, this specific Lumia 1520 is running Windows Phone 8, so this will be the ringtones on the Lumia 1520 from Windows Phone 8, but I'll also do a video with a phone running Windows Phone 10 as well, if there is a significant difference in the ringtones on Windows Phone 10. But this is just the Lumia 1520 running Windows Phone 8, and we'll be going over every single ringtone in detail and listening to them one by one with high quality audio. So these are all the ringtones on the Nokia Lumia 1520 on Windows Phone 8 here in 2023. So as always, before jumping right in, don't forget to smash that like button down below as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions or comments regarding the content of this video or this phone in general, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. We can start a discussion or I can answer your questions. Also, my social media is linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. And now let's jump right into this video. Now, right off the bat, I apologize for this strange sort of droning sound coming from the background. It's actually coming from the apartment above, and it's been going on for a day or so now, and I really can't do anything about it. I don't know if you can actually hear that. It's a very light noise, but I apologize for that. But once we start listening to the ringtones, I'll bring it close up like this so it drowns out that noise. But again, I apologize for that background sound. And of course, if you are a follower of this series and you've kept up with this series, you know that I jump into a basic quick rundown of the history of this device before jumping into the ringtones themselves. However, I'm going to skip it for this video because covering the history of the Lumia 1520 in one video doesn't do it justice. However, I've already done a full retro style review video of this phone a few years ago. I think it was about 2 years ago. I'll put the video up here in a card above and down in the description below as well. I was using the Lumia 1520 in 2021 or something like that, but from 2021 or whenever I did it till now, nothing has changed on the 1520 because it has not been updated or anything like that. Windows Phone is dead. So what I said about 2 years ago still applies to the 1520 today. So you can go ahead and watch that video, and in that video I explain everything that you need to know about this phone, the history, the specs, the camera, the display, and a few ringtones as well there. But in this video we'll be focusing on the ringtones themselves from Windows Phone 8, and definitely hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the Windows 10 version, Windows Phone 10 version of this phone. And I think the phone in that video was running Windows Phone 10, and I did have another 1520 also running Windows Phone 8. Just go ahead and watch that video if you want the full rundown on this phone. But in this video, we'll be going over only the ringtones from Windows Phone 8 on the Lumia 1520. I have another two of them. One's running Windows Phone 8 and one's running Windows Phone 10. These are the AT&T versions, by the way, not the international version, so that's kind of a bummer. I still couldn't get my hands on one international version, but eventually I will. So let's now go to the ringtones and start listening to them. So we're here in the ringtones plus sound section, and we'll make sure the volume is at about 6. Yes, it is. And let's start listening to some ringtones. And AT&T has their own ringtones over here, and I'm pretty sure the rest of them apply to the international version. Just the AT&T ringtones at the bottom is what's different here. But when I do get an international version, I will compare. The speaker is down here at the bottom if you didn't already know that. And let's start off with Pure. So there we are. Those are all the ringtones on Windows Phone 8 on the Nokia Lumia 1520. Now, I don't know about you, and let me know down in the comment section, did most of those ringtones feel more ambient and less lively than the older Nokia ringtones? Even the remakes of the ringtones and even the Nokia tone itself did not sound as lively as the older phones did. These are more relaxing and ambient, as opposed to on Symbian, the ringtones were more lively and loud and active. But that's probably just me. Let me know down in the comment section if you feel the same way. But anyway, those were the ringtones on Windows Phone 8 on the Nokia Lumia 1520. And as usual, leave a comment down below and let me know what's your favorite ringtone and what you think about this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, hit that like button down below as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Like I said again, questions, comments down below. My social media is linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.